Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to be talking about the incredibly useful 8 parking sensor Parktronic car automobile reversing backup radar electronics rear auto detector backing assistance kit buzzer. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative and helpful videos just like this one. Now, let's delve into the amazing features of this product. With 8 sensors, this system is able to display the distance of obstacles in a way that is much more helpful than ordinary displays with only one number. Additionally, the light bar on the display can distinguish between different orientations of obstacles, and the buzzer reminder will sound off faster as the obstacle gets closer. The product also comes with a variety of sensor colors for you to choose from, and can even be painted to match your car if necessary. The display is equipped with a protective film that should be removed before use, and each order is rigorously tested and packaged to ensure a high-quality product for our customers. Whether you are a new driver learning to park, or simply want the peace of mind that comes with having an extra set of eyes while reversing, this product is a must-have for your car. So, if you are interested in making your parking experience easier and safer, be sure to check out the link in the description to get your own 8 parking sensor Parktronic car automobile reversing backup radar electronics rear auto detector backing assistance kit buzzer. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends.